Blevins. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on the dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn taste. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a big step to the right. You're going to step your left foot behind your right, and as you step behind, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and then we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, making an 8 turn over your left shoulder to face 10-30. From here, we're going to come up on the ball of our right foot, slightly lifting our left knee. You're going to step down with the ball of your left foot, and as you do that, you're going to start pushing your right toe back, and as you drop your heel, you're going to finish pushing back. We're now going to press forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and then step your right foot next to your left, slightly pushing your hips back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, out, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to slightly do a press, so you're going to open your body to the right. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 430. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, and as you do that, you're going to push your knees out. We're now facing 130. We're going to step our right next to our left, bringing our knees together, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 1030. From here, we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left, and you're going to pivot a 7/8 turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and then we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our step together. Weight is on your right, you're stepping forward with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. As you step to the right, you're going to bring your right hand up towards your chest, and we're going to step to the right, and then we're going to swing our right hand to the right side as you touch your left next to your right. You're going to look over your right shoulder and snap to the right. We're now going to point our left toe to the left side, touch your left next to your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step our right foot forward. You're going to do a half spiral over your left shoulder, turning on your right foot and keeping that left foot touched in front. We're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. When we cross over, the very next section goes into a full turn, so you want to make sure that you have your body open to the right to make that transition easier. So let's try that with some counts. We just crossed over, we're stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a full turn over our right shoulder, turning on your left foot, coming back to 3 o'clock. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side. As we recover our weight onto our left, you're going to do a full turn over your left shoulder, turning on your left foot, and then step your right next to your left to return to 3 o'clock. We're now going to chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side, and then we're going to do a syncopated jazz box cross. Cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right, and then you'll be ready to start over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just crossed over, you're going to do your full turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and then you'll be ready with your step to the side. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step to the right. So it's 8 pivot, side behind, side, cross, side, touch and snap, point, touch, quarter, half, spiral, side rock, cross, it's full, side rock, full, together, side, and a jazz box cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the restart. The restart is going to happen on wall 4, facing 9 o'clock. You're going to dance up to count 7 and before you make any changes. What we're going to do is do our press and recover, and then instead of stepping together, remaining in that diagonal, we're going to do our press, recover. You're going to make that 8 turn so you're squaring back up to 9 o'clock and then cross your left over your right. So let's dance up to that press, recover, and then we'll talk about how to change the steps. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step to the right. So it's side behind sweep, behind side diagonal lift, push, and then your press, recover. Now you're just going to step side, cross, restart the dance, doing wall 5 to 9 o'clock. So let's dance that step change with the counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and ready to start over again. Now, the dance does not technically have an ending listed on the step sheet. It does end facing 6 o'clock on your jazz box. So you're ending the full 32 counts. All I did was unwind to the front, doing a nice sharp unwind so that I'm ending on that final beat of music so that I can end facing 12 o'clock. Scott does a little bit of a sweep, so you can kind of do what you like to end facing 12 o'clock. I really think that unwind kind of hits that final beat, so feel free to try that out for yourself. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step to the right. So it's side behind sweep, behind side diagonal lift, step push, press and step together, forward, half, quarter, side together, quarter, step, 7/8 pivot, side behind side, cross side, touch and snap, point, touch, quarter, step, half spiral, side rock, cross, full turn, side rock, full turn, step together, chasse to the right, and your jazz box cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and side behind sweep, behind side diagonal lift, step push, press and step together, forward, half, quarter, side together, quarter, step, 7/8 pivot, side behind side, cross side, touch and snap, point, touch, quarter, step, half spiral, side rock, cross, full turn, side rock, full turn, step together, side, jazz box cross. Now you're going to do the restart with the step change. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and then you will dance through until the end of the song where you make that turn to the front so that you can end facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned about the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn taste. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.